Hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Ginapang mong marahan ng hagdanan para lamang makidlatan sa kaitaas-taasan. Ngunit kaibigan,
I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation from the University of the Philippines, Tacloban.
Your diploma is your clarion call, your marching order to re-inhabit, reinvent, and collectively evolve.
wala ring mangyayari, tayo'y walang mapapala. Huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para madapa, dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan. Umaraw, umuulan. Umaraw, umuulan. Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Umaraw.
And by the powers vested upon me by the Board of Regents, I hereby confer upon you your respective degrees and title with all their accompanying rights, privileges, and responsibilities. Congratulations.
I feel really overwhelmed. This is 6 years in the making. This is 6 years of my life staring right in my face.
For me naman, I am feeling ecstatic that finally we arrive at this moment after all our hard work, our sleepless nights. Finally, mag-graduate na kami.
I can say na I'm proud at the same time grateful for the university.
Honestly, I'm really happy kasi finally tapos na and I can go back home sa aking hometown.
Ako po kasi shifty from computer science tas ngayon from management na. So ayun, for that 5 years, I can say na malaki ang naiambag ng university for my growth and experience as an individual.
I had to make some big decisions. I once had an experience where I almost got dismissed.
It's really true that when you're in UP, you're really grinded to a point na you get to change.
Well, personally for me, the biggest challenge was moving away from home because I'm not from Tacloban, I'm actually from Ormoc City. So really adjusting to that kind of independence that UP required was the biggest challenge I had to face.
Ang naging coping mechanism is nag-join ako ng mga orgs.
I joined in social civic organization. You might know it as UP Halcyon.
Being surrounded with like-minded people, having the same passion as your peers, that really made a difference for me.
When you go against yourself, it's really difficult to see things that you need to improve on kasi you only have yourself.
Who you surround yourself is somewhat a reflection of you, the business.
Huwag kang maawa sa iyong sarili, isipin na wala ka ng silbi. Sandambuhalang kalokohan, bukas sisikat din muli ang araw. Ngunit para lang sa may tiyagang maghintay.
One principle that stayed with me is substance over form. Kasi dito ako natanggap was the form. The substance was everything that came after. Looking back now, I think the most important thing UP Tacloban gave me was not merely knowledge, but perspective.
Dahil wala ring mangyayari, tayo'y walang mapapala. Huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon pa.
So when people ask us, bakit ka nasa UP Tacloban? Our answer remains, kasi dito tayo natanggap. But now we understand what that answer asks of us. We came here because we were accepted. We live knowing that acceptance was never the destination. It was the responsibility.
Just take your time and really soak in on the moment because you never know, 6 years will just fly by so fast.
UP or college life in general is really about finding yourself, like who you are in terms of your belief, in terms of your principle, and how you apply it.
If you fail, okay lang yun. What's important is bumabangon ka pa rin tapos you strive to be better as a person.
Patuloy na makikibaka.
Patuloy na maglilingkod.
Patuloy na lumalaban
Patuloy na magpapakatatag.
Para sa bayan.
para sa bayan.
Para sa bayan.
Para sa bayan.